Hello and welcome to StoryBlaze. Today I will help you connect your WordPress website with StoryBlaze for seamless web story automation. In the last video, I showed you how to integrate your WordPress website with StoryBlaze in the onboarding process. However, if you skipped integrating your website in that process, you can still do so. To connect your WordPress website with StoryBlaze, first go to storyblaze.io and then log in with your account. Once you are in your dashboard, click on the integration menu in the left sidebar. Now you can see a lot of applications that you can integrate very soon. But today we will talk only about WordPress websites. So here you need to click on WordPress and you will have this pop-up where you can fill in your details. Enter your WordPress website URL, then your username and your application password. To generate an application password, go to your WordPress dashboard and hover over users in the left sidebar, then click on profile. Scroll down to the very end where you will find the options to create an application password. Type StoryBlaze in the new application password name field and click on add new password. Now copy the generated password, go back to StoryBlaze and paste it here. Then you have to paste the link to your website logo. If you have active AdSense on your website, check this box here and fill in your publisher ID and ad slot code. Once you fill in all the details, click on connect. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your WordPress website to your StoryBlaze account.